Saving $1,000 in 7 days sounds impossible. But with God, all things are possible. Matthew 19:26. Today, I'll show you how scripture-backed financial discipline can help you achieve it. This isn't a gimmick. It's God's blueprint for financial wisdom. The Bible teaches stewardship, discipline, and faith-driven action. And in just 7 days, you can transform your finances. Most people think saving money is just about cutting costs. But biblical wisdom teaches that true financial breakthrough is about mindset, discipline, and trust in God's plan. When you follow His principles, abundance follows. The next 7 days will challenge you. You'll rethink how you use money, trust God with your finances, and take action that can change your future. If you follow through, you'll not only save $1,000, but gain financial clarity and discipline like never before. This is more than a financial exercise. This is about aligning your resources with God's purpose. Every dollar you save is a step toward financial peace and a life where money serves you, not the other way around. Day 1. Audit your spending. Proverbs 27:23. Know the state of your flocks. Before you can save, you need to track every dollar. Write down every single purchase for 24 hours. The goal isn't to feel guilty, it's to see where your money is really going. When you do this, you'll find surprises. The $4 coffee, the $20 fast food order, the subscription you forgot about. It all adds up. Awareness is the first step to change. After tracking, categorize your expenses. Look at how much goes toward essentials, luxuries, and impulse buys. How much of your spending truly reflects your values and priorities. Day 2, non-essentials. 1 Timothy 6:8. If we have food and clothing, we will be content with that. God calls us to live wisely, not wastefully. Look at your spending from day 1. What can you cut immediately? Challenge yourself. Cut 3 things today. That could mean canceling subscriptions, skipping takeout, or postponing unnecessary shopping. Every dollar you don't spend gets you closer to your $1,000 goal. Think of this as a spiritual reset. Cutting non-essentials isn't about deprivation. It's about removing distractions and aligning your finances with what truly matters. Day 3. Sell unused items. Ecclesiastes 3:6. A time to keep and a time to throw away. Most of us have hundreds of dollars sitting in our homes, old clothes, gadgets, furniture. Today your mission is to sell 10 items. Post them on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or a local selling app. Not only will you free up space, but you'll turn clutter into cash. This could bring in $100, $200, or more. Decluttering isn't just about money. It's about creating order. A clean home and a clear financial plan go hand in hand. Day 4. Tithe first. Malachi chapter 3 verse 10 says, "Bring the whole tithe. See if I will not open the floodgates of heaven." This step may seem counterintuitive, giving money when you're trying to save. But biblical wealth starts with honoring God first. Whether it's 10% or an offering, give with a cheerful heart. Many testimonies show that when we give to God first, unexpected blessings follow. Trust Him. This isn't about giving to get. It's about trusting God to be your provider. When you release control, you make room for divine provision. Side hustle sprint. Proverbs chapter 14 verse 23. All hard work brings a profit. Today, you're going to earn extra money. Whether it's gig work, freelancing, or selling a service, work 4 extra hours today. Need ideas? Try food delivery, online tutoring, reselling items, or offering a skill-based service. The goal is to bring in an extra $50 to $200 today. This isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Use the skills and resources you already have to create extra income. Day 6. Negotiate bills. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 27. Do not withhold good from those who deserve it. Most companies would rather lower your bill than lose you as a customer. Call your phone, internet, and insurance providers today. Ask if there are discounts, promotions, or lower plans available. Many people save $50 or more with a 10-minute call. This is instant savings that moves you closer to your goal. Imagine what you can do with the money you save. Every dollar you keep is a step toward financial freedom. Day 7. Celebrate and pray. Philippians chapter 4, verse 19. God will meet all your needs. Whether you reached $1,000 or not, celebrate progress. Even if you saved $500, that's a massive win. Thank God for His guidance. Stewardship is a lifelong journey. This is just the beginning. Keep using these principles, and financial peace will follow. Reflect on what you've learned this week. Saving money isn't just about numbers. It's about aligning with God's wisdom and being faithful with what you have. This is just the beginning. Now, build God's way. Wealth gained hastily will dwindle, but whoever gathers little by little will increase it. Proverbs chapter 13, verse 11. Want to take this further? Download your free 7-day savings tracker below. It will keep you accountable as you build financial discipline. Next week, we're diving into debt-free in 60 days, God's proven path. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Now, I have one question. Which step are you starting today? Drop a comment below. Your journey might inspire someone else.